Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to post a live photo on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to the home page right here. Swipe left or swipe right, depending on your device. I'll just go and find Boomerang, and then just record the boomerang. All right. So once that's done, or once it's done processing, you can now then go ahead and share it to your story. Okay. And the other option is that you can go ahead and save this one. Let's say you don't have the boomerang effect on your phone, or if you have one, or for example, you have the live photo option on your phone, well, you can just capture the image of the boomerang inside your phone's camera. So just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and save this boomerang, right, or live photo. It says video saved. Now, once that's done, when you go ahead and open up Instagram, you should now be able to post it in your profile as a video. Let's say right here, tap post, post this one or this live photo, and then just tap on next. And as you can see, tap on OK, and here you have it. You now then go ahead and edit the video or do whatever you want from here. Hit on next, and post it. All right. And that is how easy it is to post a live photo on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.